There is also the possibility of enabling or disabling a content item at a given time, so an action won't be possible unless another previous action has been performed. In the following example, this active label is disabled until you have visited the other one. First of all, we must disable the Enable field in the Properties menu of this label. Now it will not work, although it may have an associated action. Then we open the Actions window, select a source, and an event. In Target, we choose the content item we want to enable or disable. To finish, select the action we want to perform and click Create. Let's see the result. If we hover the cursor over phase 2, nothing happens. But if we first hover the cursor over phase 1, when hovering the cursor above phase 2, the action now works.